Hello friends, welcome back. We are going to make a painkiller for various reasons. Some of you may remember when I made forbidden fruit liqueur. Well, there were Pummelos at the store again, and it's so delicious that we decided I would make it again. Started it up. When you make this stuff, you peel a bunch of fruit, of course. Pummelo, blood orange, I had an orange I threw in, and a lime I had lying around. And then you have a bunch of peeled fruits, so I decided just to juice them all together and make a sort of fruit punch. So a Pete's mix of citrus, which ended up tasting mostly like orange juice, so I thought, let's make a painkiller that needs orange juice. And we're also going to use up the last of our cream of coconut that I made last time. So I'm going to make this painkiller in a couple of different ways, and they won't strictly be exactly painkillers, but you know what? There are no rules. I can do what I want, it's my bar. I am going to make pretty much a straight up painkiller until I run out of coconut cream, and then I'm gonna make a slight tweak. And then I decided to make some fun fancy ice with the juice I had and make an even more abstract painkiller. So let's go. Busted out old Beverly Ice Crusher for this one. Want to get that ready ahead of time. For my painkiller, I decided to go with 1 ounce of Don Q and then a ½ ounce of Dr. Bird Jamaican for some of that funk. I also did an ounce of my cream of coconut, homemade of course, and an ounce of Uncle Pete's special citrus mix. Shook all that up, put it, served it over crushed ice, and it came out pretty delicious. The color is amazing. Yeah, babe, look at that.
So this is all very lovely.
So our next drink involves this bottle of Clément Mahina Coco, which is a coconut liqueur from Martinique. It's one of those bottles that seem great on paper, but when you put any amount of it in a drink, it sort of takes over the whole drink, so you can only use it in tiny quantities. So I've had this bottle for some years, and I'm still trying to figure out how to use it, but this second painkiller version is very much like the first Don Q, a Dr. Bird, pineapple shrub. Instead of cream of coconut, we've got our coconut liqueur. Just a ¼ ounce will do. And of course, Uncle Pete's special citrus mix. It came out pretty good. Not as creamy, of course, as the other, but, you know, delicious. So for this final and most deconstructed painkiller, we're going to get the citrus element into the ice only with a little coconut. And then the rum and pineapple and coconut will be in the drink part. And we'll have our fancy, diagonal, super cool ice thing going on. Oh yeah. Well, thanks for watching. I don't usually do a lot of tiki drinks, but sometimes you just make a drink because you've got some stuff lying around in the fridge. I wanted to use up my coconut I still had pineapple from the other video, and I had all this juice because of my new batch of forbidden fruit. So, you know, sometimes you just make what you can make. All right, have a safe time. What? Well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.